A new compact DJI drone has just appeared in early leaks, and it could be the next version in the Neo lineup, the upcoming DJI Neo 3. Right now, it's not officially confirmed, but leaked footage clearly shows a small drone with full propeller guards, very similar to the Neo series design. This strongly suggests DJI is working on another beginner-friendly drone. Before we get into the details, check out the latest drone deals in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything and really helps support the channel. Now, let's break down everything we know. First, let's talk about the design. From the leaked prototype, the drone looks very compact and lightweight, with built-in propeller guards just like previous Neo models. This shows DJI is continuing its focus on safe and easy flying, especially for beginners or indoor use. The leak also shows a single camera setup, which suggests this drone is not meant to be high-end, but more for everyday use like quick videos and simple aerial shots. Now, coming to features, looking at the previous Neo models, they already offer palm takeoff, AI tracking, and app control, so the Neo 3 is expected to improve on these. We could see better subject tracking, improved stabilization, and slightly better video quality. It will likely still focus on simple shooting, but with smoother and more reliable results. There's also a strong chance DJI will improve battery life and flight stability, which are very important for beginner users. Now, let's talk about release timing. Since this drone has only appeared in early leaks, it's probably still in testing. Based on DJI's pattern, this means the Neo 3 is likely to launch around late 2026 or early 2027, not anytime soon. And finally, the expected price. The Neo series is designed to be DJI's most affordable drone lineup, so the Neo 3 will likely stay in a similar price range. We can expect something around $150 to $250, making it a great option for beginners or casual users. Final thoughts. So overall, the DJI Neo 3 looks like it will continue the same idea. A small, simple, and easy to use drone for everyday creators. It may not bring huge upgrades, but if DJI improves camera quality and battery life while keeping the price low, this could easily become one of the best budget drones in its category. For more quick drone updates and latest leaks, subscribe to Smart Tech Radar, and I'll see you in the next video.